Last week, 192 of the best collegiate anglers in the country launched onto Pickwick Lake in Florence, Alabama. With the fish stacked up on the deep ledges, day one of the 2017 championship turned into a slugfest. The defending champions from Auburn University are once again in the hunt, but it was the team of Neese and Hatfield rising to the top.
All we need is 1961. How about 2392?
Going into the second and final day, Tusculum College is in control. This is the 2017 BoatUS Collegiate Bass Fishing Championship presented by Cabela's. Getting right into tournament coverage, we'll start things off with Wyatt Young and Tucker Sargent fishing for Tarleton State.
I kind of like that wind at our back yesterday. I know. Made us cast a lot farther. Come on, big girls, be fired up. There's a fish.
Fish? The predominant summertime pattern on Pickwick is ledge fishing. After the spawn, the bass group up in schools along the edge of the river channels. They're easy to find, but catching them consistently is another story.
Yeah, let's keep her. Right on. Number one. There's a little creek channel that runs through this, and it's a little dip, and there's a hard edge of eelgrass right there on the edge of the dip, and there's a lot of fish in that channel, and they move up. We just got to catch them at the right time. When they move up, they get in that grass and they feed.
There's a mixture of some hydrilla stuff down there too.
I think it's milfoil. Some of it looks like hydrilla, some of it looks like milfoil to me, but that's what we're fishing right there is that eelgrass.
Based out of Stephenville, Texas, Tarleton State University has two teams in the top 5. This is Justin Seaton and Dakota Ebert. They started the day in second after sacking up 23-76 on day one.
Good one? Yep.
Good job, man. Look out. Dude, I had to chase that sucker for a while. I didn't know if he's swimming.
Watch my rod.
I didn't know if he's swimming to me or what was going on there.
Yeah, I had knocked my line. I gotta get it off. I ain't got time to fool with all that. We gotta get fishing the boat. Justin's doing a good job with that though, so.
That sucker's got a coal ring in him. Somebody's done coaled him out.
So
I don't care. We'll take him. That's a good fish.
Just like that, Seaton and Ebert are on the board. Moving on, we'll check in with our day one leaders. This is Corey Neese and Nick Hatfield.
That outside edge of them.
Fishing deep, Corey and Nick are relying on their electronics to locate the school and put them into position for a cast.
Look, they're suspended, man. Biggins. God, man. Wish you could bit right there. Yesterday morning we pulled in here and first cast in there I caught a 5-pounder and a 3-pounder in the same cast, same crankbait. We sit here after that, probably caught 10 or 15 fish, filled out our limit. So it'd be nice to do that again today.
They're still laying here too.
Yeah, they're stacked on here.
There's 3 big ones sitting there too.
Big. Numero uno. 3-pounder.
They're gonna have to get bigger than that.
Big old worm.
Giant worm. Can't tell you the name of it. They don't make them anymore. But kind of get scared to throw it. But believe it or not, it catches a lot of 2-pounders. You know, it's freaking giant.
Sloan Pennington and Hunter McCarty are fishing for the hometown team of the University of North Alabama. Mixing it up, Hunter is dragging a worm, while Sloan is fishing a swim bait.
Good one.
Came off the net, look at that. Woo! Best net man in the South. It's my job. It's a start. Finger one. Yeah. Yesterday. It's cold, man.
Hey, get it back in there. They're firing up. I just got another butt.
We're off to a fast start on day 2 of the 2017 BoatUS Collegiate Bass Fishing Championship presented by Cabela's. Coming up, we'll check in with the rest of the top 5 as tournament coverage continues from Pickwick Lake in Florence, Alabama. For information, schedules, and registration, check out collegiatebasschampionship.com.
Reinforced seams, indestructible zipper. For 40 bucks, it takes all your crap and won't leave you strapped. Cabela's Ripcord Duffel. Great price. Lifetime guarantee. Only at Cabela's.
Meet the water's lightest 25 horsepower 4-stroke, the all-new Yamaha F25, the new standard and 25 horsepower portable 4-strokes. At just 126 pounds, it's got the best power-to-weight ratio of any 25 horsepower 4-stroke on the water. With performance that bests the previous Yamaha F25 and features like Yamaha's VTS for precise trolling speeds, batteryless EFI, built-in resting pads, and carry handles, it's the perfect portable power for small boats.
Long live the fearless. And long live the trucks that push you further. Ram. Proven to last.
The Cabela's Collegiate Bass Fishing Series is brought to you in part by Cabela's, it's in your nature. Powered by Ram Trucks, Guts, Glory, Ram. And by Ranger Boats, still building legends one at a time. Welcome back to Pickwick Lake on the Tennessee River. We'll get right back into championship coverage with our Day 1 leaders, Corey Neese and Nick Hatfield, fishing for Greenville, Tennessee's Tusculum College.
It's a 3.5 pounder.
Heck yeah.
So good.
That one helps the cause.
We're already sitting better than we were yesterday at this time. There we go. That's more like it.
They're starting to show up better. I mean, when we pulled in here, there was probably only like 5 or 6 fish on the graph, and now you go across them and there's 20.
We got 3 little ones in there now, and now we got 2 decent ones. So we catch 3 5s to go with it. You know, we'll have close to what we had yesterday.
With a limit in the live well, Nick and Corey are getting it done. This is Dakota Ebear and Justin Seaton. They started the day less than 2 ounces behind the leaders. They've got 4 in the boat, but the big fish are wary.
We got other stuff we can do. I mean, we ain't gonna sit here and just drive in the ground. But I feel like you could get a big bite up here and that's what we need. So I mean, all we need is one big bite to get the day started like that. Is it big enough? Oh my God, I missed her. See, there you go.
I mean, that easy. There's number 5.
Good one. So
talk about barely got her too. I mean, that hook hole's right there.
How's it feel to have number 5 in the boat?
It takes off a little pressure, but they're still entirely way too small. Number 5's going on number 5. So.
Oh my God, I smell burgers.
Burgers sound delicious.
Oh my goodness. A good cheeseburger right now? Like homemade one that's got the cheese melted on it and a toasted bun on the grill.
This is Mitchell Jennings and Cole Burdishaw fishing for Auburn University. They're the 2016 defending champions, and they're in position to do it again.
We were sitting in 5th place coming into today, and we got down to this spot. I think we hit one more spot first, didn't catch a fish, and we came down here this morning.
First fish of the day was a 4.
First fish of the day was a 4.5, and then it got really good around probably 9:30. I think we probably caught 50 fish off of it, but it's been kind of slow after that. But about an hour ago, I caught another 4, so.
Ain't much else we can do. We just need a couple more big ones. There's one.
Got one?
Yeah, he's small. No, he might be like small now.
The small jaws.
I don't see him anywhere.
Is he small still?
Yeah. Small jaw. Jumbo on the camera. We've probably caught 30 this size today. It's a pretty fish though. We ain't gonna need him.
As the day heats up, so does the action. Back on the University of North Alabama, Pennington and McCarty started the day in 3rd. They've already put 4 into the live well, and without a doubt, this will be number 5. The UNA has a lot on the line this week. In addition to the championship, they're also trying to make up some ground in the points race for the Cabela School of the Year presented by Abu Garcia.
Better do what you want. That's scary there. 5 of them. 5 of them.
Pennington and McCarty are making a run at it. Hey, we'd really like to thank all of you for your part in making the Cabela's Collegiate Bass Fishing Series the best collegiate series in the country. And remember, if you get a good shot on the water, post it up. #WeAreCollegiateBass. We look forward to seeing you on the tour next year. The season starts off on the legendary Sam Rayburn Reservoir. For the complete schedule, visit CollegiateBassChampionship.com.
Meet the water's lightest 25 horsepower 4-stroke, the all-new Yamaha F25, the new standard and 25 horsepower portable 4-strokes. At just 126 pounds, it's got the best power-to-weight ratio of any 25 horsepower 4-stroke on the water. With performance that bests the previous Yamaha F25 and features like Yamaha's VTS for precise trolling speeds, batteryless EFI, built-in resting pads, and carry handles, it's the perfect portable power for small boats.
Quiet, you sons of fishes! Now, what?
I'm switching sonar.
Why?
Because now I can see fish swimming live in front of my boat. I even see fish attack my lure. Y'all's sonar's just history. I'm out.
I'm with him.
Everybody knows somebody that just seems to have things go wrong around him. And for me, it's my good buddy Z when he heads to the water. It's like a black cloud follows this guy around. He runs out of gas, locks his keys in the car, or worse, has a flat tire coming to him from the water. But old Z's a pretty sharp guy. He relies on BoatUS in those situations where something goes wrong.
BoatUS has the finest low-cost boat insurance and the largest fleet of towboats ready to assist you 24/7. Visit BoatUS.com.
The Cabela's Collegiate Bass Fishing Series is brought to you in part by Yamaha Marine. Reliability starts here. Garmin, fight your fish, not your fish finder. And by Denali Rods. Experience the Denali advantage. Welcome back to the final hours of the 2017 BoatUS Collegiate Bass Fishing Championship presented by Cabela's.
Keep them down.
Let's get back on the water with the UNA's Sloan Pennington and Hunter McCarty. With a limit in the boat, Pennington and McCarty are one of the few teams fishing by themselves. One of the biggest challenges anglers have faced this week has been dealing with the enormous amount of fishing pressure. But Hunter and Sloan have had this spot all to themselves, and they're making the most of it.
Hope.
Oh, hold on. Keep right from the boat. Don't worry about my line.
Right here. Coming up. Yeah. That helps a lot. It's huge.
Good job, buddy.
Pennington and McCarty are culling up and gaining ground on the leaders. Back on Tusculum's Corey Neese and Nick Hatfield. They've got 5, but fishing out on open water, they're having to fight the wind and the clock.
Come off. Did it come off?
Mine?
Yeah, did it?
No. Yeah, it did too, I guess.
Did it come off?
I don't know. Can't
I
tell.
never even got bit.
No, it's still on there.
What time we have to leave, you think? 15, 20 minutes?
What time is it?
2:42.
We better give ourselves an hour, dude, I'm telling you.
Yeah, I feel like it's safe. Quick release. Let's do it a couple more times and just hope, I guess.
That's all we can do. We're having to actually start the big motor and get back on the backside of the school of fish upwind from it and just drift back across them because the wind's blowing too hard to even stay on it with the trolling motor. And our trolling motor's getting weak where we've used it all day.
Got one?
Yeah.
Big one.
Big
man.
one.
It's a big one.
Yes, big one, dude. I hope he's big. Be big. He's big. He's big. He's giant.
Yes!
He is giant. Right here. Right here.
Come on, man. Come on. Let's get him. Let's get him. Come on.
Let's get him.
Yes! Yes! Let's go! Oh my God!
That's what we needed right there.
Good one. That's what I need you for.
Look at that. Look at that.
Golly.
Look how messed up this swim bait is.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a good one.
With every catch, the defending champions are climbing the leaderboard. Likewise, Pennington and McCarty are doing their best to bring the trophy home. Despite winning the School of the Year title twice, the UNA has yet to win the championship. They've got a shot, but time is running out.
Which way's going? Which going?
Oh gosh. Huge. Just choke it here. I'll take it. Tournament. Heck yeah. This is awesome. This is awesome.
Due to television time constraints, there's a lot of footage that didn't make the show. For additional coverage from this event, be sure to keep an eye on our Facebook page. Coming up, we're headed to weigh-in, where we'll crown our champions and then wrap up the Cabela School of the Year presented by Abu Garcia. Stay close. From the makers of Bubba Blade comes the Bubba Blade Fishing Pliers. No matter where you're headed to fish, this tool will become an integral part of your tackle box for many years to come. They feature our patented no-slip grip handles, just like our Bubba Blade knives, ensuring that this tool will stay firmly anchored in your hand. In addition to the handles, these pliers feature a super tough cobalt cutter and convenient split shot and leader sleeve crimping cutouts. The ultimate in control, strength, and durability. Bubba Blade.
There's two things between an angler and the fish, the sun and the bugs. Sawyer's line of sunscreens and bug sprays keep you focused on the fish. Sawyer's Stay Put sunscreen formula bonds with your skin for a more comfortable and better level protection. And picaridin insect repellent will only harm the bugs, never your fishing gear. Also, Sawyer permethrin repels and kills on contact over 55 species of insects. You're already outdoors. Sawyer keeps you there.
The Cabela's Collegiate Bass Fishing Series is brought to you in part by Russell Marine, innovative products for the marine industry. Gill Technical Fishing Gear. Arctic Ice, we put the cool in coolers. And by Gemini Jerseys, the leader in custom fishing apparel.
Okay, I'd like to welcome you out to the 2017 BoatUS Collegiate Bass Fishing Championship presented by Cabela's.
It's been a great week here in Florence, Alabama, and it's time to head to the scales.
University of North Alabama, Nathan and Austin had a really good day yesterday at 16:55. They've got another 5-fish limit. Looks like the same or a little better. Is it better?
A little better.
A lot better. 21.73. 2-day total of 38.28 new leaders. Y'all put your hands together. Mitchell and Cole. All right. Wait just a second. 1960 yesterday. You had to have just about exactly the same today. Take over the lead right now.
Yeah, it's kind of nerve-wracking, not gonna lie.
Well, what kind of day has it been the last hour sitting out there waiting on this?
Man, I'm shaking. I'm so nervous. This would be awesome. So we're gonna.
So you're fixing to get your chance. You won it last year.
Yeah, we got pretty lucky last year. Got pretty lucky this year. So we're gonna make them earn it.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's play.
Y'all put your hands together. Pick it up and set it in there. Bag and all. Get right over our clothes. Oh, he said, what do we need? You need 1869. 2402.
With a 2-day total of 43.62, Jennings and Bertashaw take the lead. Auburn is gunning for back-to-back titles, and there are only 4 teams left away.
Okay, this is going to get interesting. From Tarleton State, we've got White and Tucker. They had 20.34 yesterday. Y'all need about the same kind of day today to take those hot seat away from them. You need 23. You've got 14.58. 2-day total of 34.92. You're in the top 10 right now.
We're down to 3. Up next is Sloan Pennington and Hunter McCarty.
Here they come from UNA. We've got Sloan and Hunter. They had 23.31 yesterday. They don't have to have quite as good a day. They need 20.32. New leaders, 21.02. All right.
With just 2 teams left, the UNA is in the lead.
Next up, Tarleton State, Dakota and Justin.
Dakota Ebear and Justin Seaton started the day in second, and they're bringing another limit to the scales.
All they need today is 20.58. They don't have to have near as good a day as they had yesterday. You have dodged the bullet. 15.73.
There's just 1 team left, and it's your day 1 leaders from Tusculum College.
I want everybody to see this. Y'all stand right here. Okay, we're going to get them up on the screen. And we're going to weigh these fish in. One of these 2 teams will be your 2017 champions. And this is really going to push that Team of the Year deal around.
I hope it does.
All right, at Tusculum College, 23.92 yesterday. You need 20.42. They have 16 Jersey winners! There's your champions right there, folks.
We called twice in the last 20 minutes. We had called 2 4-pounders in the last 20 minutes. So, I mean, just amazing. It's awesome.
And there you have it. Sloan Pennington and Hunter McCarty, the hometown team from the University of North Alabama, are your 2017 BoatUS Collegiate champions. The last order of business this week is the Cabela School of the Year presented by Abu Garcia.
Y'all put your hands together for Bryan College. Y'all come on up here.
After dominating the entire season, the team from Bryan College locks up one of the most prestigious titles on the tour. Congratulations.
I mean, it's absolutely awesome. We didn't have the best finish of this tournament, but we've been consistent all year, and I'm so proud of these guys. I'm so proud of our teammates. We just worked together this year. We, just practice. We were able to, break different parts of the lake apart and really just put everything together. And I couldn't be more proud of this group of guys. I mean, these are my brothers. I love them to death, and we got it done. That's the main goal, and it's absolutely awesome.
And with that, we wrap up another season of the Cabela's Collegiate Bass Fishing Series. A big thanks to our friends in Florence, Alabama. If you're headed to the Shoals region, look them up at visitflorenceal.com. The schedule for the 2018 season is out, and you can find it online at collegiatebasschampionship.com. The season kicks off in February from Sam Rayburn Reservoir. This has been a Carico TV presentation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, GoPro Dean Rojas here, and all of last year I really enjoyed wearing my FG21, which I have on right now. Well, coming up, we have a brand new color. As you can see, we have a new silver color.
I want to tell you about the FG21 jacket. The coolest thing about this jacket is the Vortex hood.
All day long, it does not matter how much it rains, you're going to stay dry and you're going to stay warm, and in turn help you catch more fish.
When I talk about Sunline, I think of one word: confidence.
Sunline FX2 is what I use for all of my frogging and flipping.
S61 braid, which braid plays a big part in fishing line.
Shooter, I'm going to use in those close quarter deals like flipping and pitching.
One of my favorite techniques in fishing the tournament trail is to fish offshore ledges.
We have taken the questions out of the equation.
Take my word for it. It works. It works, dude.
I promise to be ready, anytime. I promise to love the sport just as much as you do. I promise to always be flexible. I promise to pull my weight, and then some. I am Trilene, and I promise to never give up. Built with innovation, fueled by passion. Berkeley Trilene, America's most trusted fishing line.
Combining the best of old world craftsmanship with state-of-the-art technologies to bring fishermen everywhere a fishing rod that's feather light, extremely sensitive yet remarkably durable for any fishing condition or situation. Denali rods, tournament tested and tournament tough.
When Pro Rule opened its doors, it was about more than just creating a product. It was about building a legacy, one that's known for strength, precision, and quality. Forged from determination and crafted from hard work and American pride. Pro Rule measuring boards and transom savers, made to last.
Bass Angler Magazine brings you more. If you want to learn the latest techniques, win your next bass tournament, or simply catch more bass, then Bass Angler Magazine is for you. From California to Florida, finesse to frogging, Bass Angler Magazine is jam-packed with how-to information from the world's best pros. Published every season, Bass Angler Magazine is crammed with fresh new articles designed to help anglers of all levels learn more and catch more bass. Sign up at bassanglermag.com today. Bass Angler is also available at your local Cabela's.